What's up, wonderful people? For today's video, I discovered something for all you Plantitos and Plantitas out there. So if you're looking for gardening pieces like pots and anything for outdoor landscaping, they have it here in Bonifacio Global City. Let me tour you around. We have arrived at Bonifacio Global City. We're here. Wow, this is so nice. Actually, we went here for food, but we went on the wrong market. So we're here at the garden, and they have a lot of things for Plantitos and Plantitas. They have dried stuff, dried flowers, and then this one. They have tables here if you want to dine out. Ayan. It's like al fresco dining. They have a lot of tiny plants and succulents. They have this Korean succulents. They have a lot of pots over there. Let's go. Let's check it out. They have very cute pots over here. They have herbs here, tarragon, parsley, serpentina, peppermint thyme, rosemary, lavender. Right here, they have a lot of pots, earth color pots. There you have it, guys. I hope you liked the short video of what you can see here in Garden Street, Horti Filipinas. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa mga susunod na videos na i-upload ko. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next video. Bye!